In this corner. Shark man, Sharknado, land shark!
Yeah!
In this corner. Captain Underpants. Let's go!
I can't say the rest because trademark reasons. Let's go. Yeah! No! No, please!
And there's a knockout by
Nope!
land shark.
Nope!
Oh, and Captain gets back in.
Nope, not today.
Four Eyes gets the shot back in.
No! No!
Man versus nature. And now the referee is coming in.
My win.
I die with you. Or not at all.
The fact that you're still talking when you're knocked out too.
I narrate always in life and death. That's what you're gonna wear. You look like a rip-off Captain Underpants.
That's the whole point, dude.
Okay, so it's on purpose. Good to know.
Yes. Alright.
Come on, bro. Let's get this on the road.
Alright, let's do this.
Wait, is it teams? Am I with Tord?
No, it's a free-for-all, pretty much. We're gonna be, like,
Right.
kicking each other's asses, pretty much.
Well, well, well.
We are gonna be, a standoff here? Oh, I am now. Oh, hey, no. Hey, hands off.
Come here.
Hands off. No. Okay.
You're
know what?
the biting shark.
You wanna fucking go? Fucking, yeah, get out of here. No!
I win!
Uh,
Woo!
Okay, and, we just knock each other out. No! Please! Get off me! No! Hey, no! Help me be chased by a homeless guy! Help me!
How do you run?
You hold A.
Hold A.
Get off me. Yeah! Yeah! Are you guys still hanging onto the train? Okay, hold on. Oh, hey, Tori has to. No way! You're not climbing up here. Get the.
Come here.
I'm
I'll
good.
grab you.
If you actually make your way up here, I swear to God.
You should totally punch him, Four Eyes. He would have fallen off.
Get off my train. No, I actually can't lose this.
My train.
No! No!
Raffle!
Shoot
Fucking-
that shark.
You fucking shark.
The almighty shark wins.
Okay, I'm just gonna go over here.
Oh, shit.
Down the ladder.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no! I forgot about that!
Shake that booty.
On this side of the stage, we got the homeless guy we picked up from the streets. And the other stage,
Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy Jenkins, yeah. And then on this side, we got a shark that we caught from the river.
Oh yeah.
We got him from a swamp, actually, so, better take. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fight.
I'm a banana shark.
You're not yellow.
I am yellow. On my screen, I'm yellow.
You're green for me.
On my screen, you're green. You're green. Are
Yeah.
you colorblind?
No.
Oh. Yay, Tori, you win. What do you have to say for yourself? No.
It's your turn, boy.
No, get up!
Versus
Get up!
Man
Shark.
versus nature.
I'm a knock your ass out. Come here. No, I'm not going down yet. No. I'll have me some sushi for dinner. Oh shit.
We ain't having nothing for dinner. Get up.
You know, if I'm going down, you're coming with me. Oh, no.
No. Let go of me.
Come here.
No.
Yeah! You don't mess with the king!
You have voted for Leroy Jenkins.
Yes.
Oh, gondola.
Hey,
Why'd you say that so funny?
Gondola?
nuts.
Gondola. That's how you say it, right?
Gondola.
Gondola.
Oh!
Ah, shit! Oh, shit! No! Oh, no! Get up! No! Get up! No! Tor, help me! No!
Oh yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yo! Get off me! Oh, yay! Let's go! It's just you and me, man! Come here! Ah! Come here! Oh, no! No!
Oh, don't bring me in! Don't bring me in! Oh shit.
Ugh.
Oh shit, damn!
Oh, no! No!
No!
I did so much.
You killed us both!
What you mean? You killed
Yeah,
us?
that was an easy win, you know?
Okay, y'all. This is my factory. Y'all work for me now. You just
Come
fight.
here.
You just
Don't
fight
come near
after
me.
I say that.
I'm
You come here.
gone! No!
Okay, while you guys are fighting, I'm just gonna go into my office. See you guys. Oh shit! Help me! Help me! I'm being chased by a land shark. Help me out, please! No! Help me! I'm being chased by a land shark.
Sharknado, man.
Help! Help! Help me!
Come here.
Oh god! Oh god! Help me! Help me!
We'll be able to catch you.
Help me! Ah!
You can't run from me.
Get the word, bitch! Come here! I'm not afraid of sharks. Get off me.
Damn!
Go.
Get up. Get your ass up. Oh no!
You're going in that incinerator.
No! Get up! No!
Land shark won.
Yup. They call me the killer shark.
Oh.
Oh, we're at Nox's place.
Hey, yeah, you're right.
A roof? What?
Get it? Guess you're a homeless man, Nox. Look. On your
How am I homeless and on a roof?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a bird! There's a bird!
Oh, birds! Wow. Wait, can I pick them? I got a bird! I got a bird! I got a bird! I got a bird! My bird! My bird! My bird! My bird! My bird!
Sir, you gotta let go of the bird.
My bird! I want that bird.
Or it's got a red bird.
Ah!
You know what? Oh no! No!
I did it too.
Yeah, I win.
Oh,
I
whoa!
love
Oh, okay. Let's call a truce.
Get in there.
Let's call a
Wait,
truce.
yeah,
Let's go.
let's call a truce.
Okay, so.
Oh wait, my hook can't grab anything apparently.
Yeah, it's a
Oh my
hook.
god.
Nox, are you hooked onto those
Let-
stuff again?
Let go of me.
No!
Oh,
Get off me! I'm the captain of the ship. You're just a shark.
You know what?
Just a shark.
yeah, let's go. We gotta throw him back in the sea for bait.
I'll kill
Oh, you
both of
knocked
you.
off my hat.
Oh, it's... Come here!
Ugh.
Oh, what? Oh shit! No! Oh, a shark! I saw a shark.
Get out of here.
Oh no! Guys, help me! Help! No! Guys, help me! Help me! No! I can't! Ah! Help me, guys!
Four Eyes is doing.
Help me! Help me! No! Help me,
I
guys!
got you.
No! I'm gonna die! No! Ah! No! Nox, how long do you think you're gonna last in there?
I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm the captain.
You look dumb. With your bald spot going down. Oh! Oh, yeah.
Holy fuck!
So where are you? Oh, you're over there still.
That was close.
I feel pretty safe.
Where are you?
He's in a cage.
Is he in the cage up there?
He's in the cage.
I don't want to risk getting down. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die, dude. Sharks are friendly.
Dude,
Clipsy.
that shark killed me like 6 times earlier.
Tori? I saw that.
It ripped me off the hook. It ripped me off the hook.
Okay, guys,
Watch out.
I want to show you my pet squid here. I call him Squidlock.
Squid Bob.
No, Squidlock, dumbass.
You mean
So don't worry, he craves only one food: sharks. And and bald people. What the fuck are you doing?
This is...
Hey, look at that.
Oh, shit. You're gonna get me.
Knox! Knox! He's gonna get you, Knox! Oh, Knox! Knox, where you going, man? Come down here.
No! No!
Come on, Knox!
No!
It's me and you!
No!
Tori, help me out! Tori, help me out!
Nah, man, you're good.
Help me! It's hungry! No! Oh, it threw! At least threw me! It threw me! It threw me! I'm coming up there, Knox. I'm coming to save you. Oh no! 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 Oh, no, Knox! No!
Yeah.
No!
Banana shark wins.
It got me off the wall. I fell.
Nothing bad can happen. Oh, I feel safe.
Hey, put that cone down, Tord. Ow! Don't touch me.
What do you mean? You touched me first.
Yeah, you're a shark. No difference. Shark. Okay,
I'm a
dude.
banana shark, actually.
Have you read the shark, man? I mean, no. Have you read the sign? No sharks. No!
See ya.
Loser.
Knox. Hey, Tord, steal the hat
Oh,
again.
what?
Steal the hat.
What?
All right.
Oh! Jeez, that was close. Oh
hat.
shit! No, my hat!
Yeah.
You're just a shark. Give me my hat.
He threw on his tracks. Hey, Knox, go grab your
Oh,
hat.
shit. Oh,
I
had
saw
so much
that.
air. No, shit!
Oh. Oh.
No!
Knox! Knox, get up!
I was so stressed. No! Stop throwing me back down here!
Come on, Knox, stand up for yourself against a shark.
Let me up!
No, I can't sense it. What the fuck are you doing to her?
My
There were-
arms weren't working.
I was looking at Tord just. What was he doing to that cone, bro?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, guys, you enjoying the view here?
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh yeah.
Wait, no! No! Knox, you know you can let go, right? Knox, there's a platform above. No! Hang on!
Cord, go to the other side. I need to untilt the shit.
No,
I'm
I know
losing
where I'm
grip.
going. I know where I'm going.
No! Hang on, Knox!
I'm losing grip.
No, Knox, I'll save you! Grab my hand, Knox!
I'm counterweighting it.
I got you, I got you. I got you.
I'm above you guys.
We can't even get up. We're just
You-
stuck down here.
Hang on, Knox! Hang on,
I'm
Knox!
holding on to you. I have nothing else to hold on to.
Hang on to me! No! No! We're good! No, Knox! Knox, grab onto me! Grab me, Knox, I got you! No!
No! I'm slowly going backwards. I can't even get up. I'm losing grip. I'm losing grip. My arm won't even go up.
Stop tilting the thing toward.
No! I'm holding on to the
shit.
hook. My hook's doing nothing.
It's no!
I was on my last hook. I couldn't do anything.
Come here. Come here. Oh no!
This is the brawl my hat came off.
Okay, yeah, I'm just letting you guys do your thing, and I'm gonna stand over here and watch from above. Tord, now that I mention
Get
it,
off my face, you face hugger. Get off my face. Leave it alone.
there you go, Tord. That knocks the guy. No! No! Get the pickle! Get the pickle!
He does look like a sweet pickle over there.
He does look like a pickle.
Leave me alone.
It's hey guys, look. If you look over there, you can see a pipe fighting the rare pickle shark.
Leave me alone.
Sir, you're not allowed to stand on the glass. Get down from there.
No! Never!
You're not allowed, sir. I'm gonna take you to the
Give me
office.
the glass back!
No!
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Go, Knox, go get that dangling banana up there.
I'm flying!
my gosh, you actually got so much air in the stairway there.
Oh! Wait! Oh, Tor!
Flew off with you!
Get off of me.
Oh! Oh!
Oh me, you fuck!
That would have been fucking funny if I actually did drop you off the ledge. You can't attack my birds!
You got me, bro! I was about to pick you up!
Oh, they're getting me now. No.
Okay, guys, we're gonna grind the meat.
Grind my
You need to make
bone.
some nuggets.
Yeah, you grind the nuggets, yes.
You gotta make some pirate nuggets.
Yes.
No!
Let's make some
shark nuggets.
we can make some Captain Crunch.
Ah, stop knocking off my hat. Ah!
There's not come with you guys out. Hold up. Come here. Oh, yes! No, 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 no.
No!
No! Oh, get away from me. No. Help me.
I'm like the most dangerous one out of all three of us.
You're a shark and we're you.
No! Get off me! Oh no! Get up! Get up! Get up! No! Not today! No! 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 Help! No! No! Get the fuck out of my my tower layer. What do you call this? I don't know. Lighthouse. Lighthouse.
No, just.
Oh, what the fuck? Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo, did the light just kill us?
I saw that too.
Holy shit! What was that?
I don't know. What the fuck was that? Whoa!
Wow, what is this?
What is this?
What's down here? What's down here? Ooh. Oh, I can't go in here.
Wait, I want to check this out.
What's this down here? Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! No!
Can we actually work this?
Oh yeah.
Tord, stop! Oh.
Oh.
Well, Nox, you're dumb.
What am I doing? You like my pose?
Draw me like one of your shark girls.
Ah, okay, buddy, get out of here. Hey, what's up, man? And your dates go. Ugh.
Oh,
Yeah, get off.
going
Get
down
off.
without a fight.
Get off me.
Oh shit!
No!
No. I win.
I was trying to go to the other platform and I died.
Skill issue.
You really tried that, didn't you, bad bold, huh? Oh, I gotta take my prize real quick.
No, no, no. Give me that thing, Tord. No, no, no.
Who stop?
Please.
Who's gonna stop me?
Get up.
It ain't you. You ain't stopping me.
Hold on, hold on. Wait, Tord, stop. Hold on, come here. Follow me. You think you can just sit out the whole match? Get up here. Where are you?
You'll never find me.
Where'd you go, actually? Wait, where'd you go? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Get your ass over here. I can't even see who's, You hide? Oh, shit. You know what, Nox? You like to sit on matches, huh?
No! Get off me!
If I'm going down, I'm taking you with me.
Get off me!
Ugh. Hey, wait. I survived. I survived! I
I'm
survived!
alive too!
Wait, what?
I'm alive too!
How? Oh, never mind.
Shit!
You're dead now. Yeah, let's go. Oh, shit.
I ain't stuck in here with you. You're stuck in here with me.
No! Help me, Nox!
You're stuck in here with me.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Hey, Tord, come here.
Nah, man, I ain't going on that.
You scared, huh? You scared? Oh, wait, I am.
I ain't you stuck in here with me, boy.
No, I'm not going down without a fight.
Fear
Tord, wait, Tord. Are we just gonna let her look at us like that? Get her.
Fear me!
You know what? Let's gang up on this weed.
Is he?
Come here. Yeah, I'm a superhero. You know that, right?
No!
Get her!
I lost. Here, when she comes back around, I'll get her. I want to do something to this.
Okay, okay.
You made a mistake, boy. You made a mistake.
Slow.
Get her! If you're...
No! No!
Thorin.
This is Plants vs.
Hey, not me! Not me! No!
Let go of me.
Get the flower!
Get him! Get him! Get Shark! Get Shark! Get him out of here!
Hey, I win.
No.
Well,
I got him out of here.
so, when do I get paid?
Ooh, this is mine.
Oh, I want that one, actually. It looks chunky as fuck.
Oh, it's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
Mine!
It's mine.
Mine! I
Oh,
want
you have it.
No!
You ain't going nowhere, flower.
No! Get out of here, Shark! No! Oh shit!
This is the vegan plant. We gotta grind you up.
Get out of here, you're a carnivore. Yes!
Oh, yes!
Roof! Yes! The roof!
Alright, everybody stand still.
We're just gonna stand still this whole minute.
Whoever the bird picks, it gets sacrificed by the birds.
I'm so tired, guys.
Oh,
I saw that too.
they're here.
Don't move, guys.
Uh-oh.
Don't move. No, Nox! Nox! Nox!
Get off of me.
Oh my god.
Oh, no! 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 This is weird!
Get him down. Get him down. Ugh. Oh, they destroyed the sign.
Guys! Incoming! Watch out!
Uh-oh. Bye,
Oh
Nox.
no! No!
Nox, let's go.
No, Torn! You're okay, you're okay. No, he killed me!
You're coming.
Get off me.
I think if you hold the bird. Oh, yo, the bird just rips up. Wait. I think if you hold the
Holy
birds.
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Nox, help me, please!
Oh shit, I've been taken.
Let's go, your butts!
On my ass.
Yo, stop violating the birds, bro! Thor, no! No! Oh no!
No, dude! Oh no, birds got me!
Uh,
Thank you.
okay, you're okay, bro. Come on, come
Ah, shit!
Oh, shit!
on. Guys, stick together! Stick together! No! No one kill me!
Get him, Bernie. Hey, Bernie,
Bring them
come
in,
here.
No! Get away! No! Not being bullied by birds! No! Get off me! Where are you doing?
They're all on me.
Hey, I win!
Oh, that was fucking hilarious. There were so many of them.
Hey, Nox, what are you doing over there?
You just killed me! Absolute fuck!
uh,
I hope
Oh
you
my
die.
god, that was fucking hilarious, bro. There's so many birds.
no! Come on! No!
Karma.
Thanks for avenging me. Okay.
Bring it out, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. Let me get inside, let me get inside.
Oh, that's two down. That's two down.
Okay,
Hold it.
Okay, I got this, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Okay,
Should
go.
I be in there?
Keep going. No.
You're the shark.
Let's do this. Whoa, okay.
Nox, Nox.
I'm bringing it over to the other level so that we can get off.
Nox, what are you doing? Oh, okay.
Nox, no,
So we
Nox,
can
let
get on.
go of it. Say let go.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Holy shit, guys, this is scary, actually. Oh, there's a shark right there.
Hold the other way.
There's a shark.
Hold the other way.
Careful, guys! Be gentle! Whoa! No! Guys, what are you doing?
Ah,
I'm getting up,
I'll bring you up.
I'm getting up.
fight
Ah,
me.
stop the hook.
No! Run!
Ah. Guys, I'm still alive.
That was so close.
I'm coming up the next way. I'm coming up.
Oh,
Oh! Oh! Oh!
guys, hold me aboard.
Hold me! Hold me!
Help yourself!
Hold me!
Get
No.
off me!
Where are
Get
you?
off me!
Uh,
Where are you?
look on the other side of the boat.
Oh, I see you! I got you, Torn! I got you!
Hold me.
Get up!
Hold me.
Okay, don't pull me, don't pull me. I'm actually gonna pull you. Okay, jump, jump, jump! I got you, man! No! 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 You're still alive, Torn?
Please. Please.
Let me off!
Dude.
No, let me off! Let me off!
Fucking bro, is there a pig in this lobby? What's going on? Okay, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed our little game piece video. If you liked it, please like and sub, I guess, if you want to. Thank you, my friends, for joining me on this, for just like pushing me around the whole game and whatnot. Until then, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.